Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on the accounting function. In this video, we will focus on the Consolidated Financial Statement tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently generate and analyze consolidated financial statements using the Parsimony system. Once you've logged into Parsimony, click on the Accounting module to access various accounting functions. In the Financial Statements section, you'll find a range of tools to manage and analyze your financial data. To access the Consolidated Financial Statement tool, click on the Consolidated Financial Statement option. The Consolidated Financial Statement shows a consolidated view of balance sheet, profit and loss statement and cash flow for a group company, by merging financial statements of all the subsidiary companies. First, select the consolidation period, which can be a specific month, quarter, or year for which you want to generate the consolidated statement. Next, tick Accumulated Values in Group Company. This report shows balances for all individual company and as well as accumulated balances for a group company. To export the Consolidated Financial Statement, or print it for your records, you can use the Export and Print options. Congratulations! You've learned how to generate and analyze consolidated financial statements using the Consolidated Financial Statement tool in Parsimony. Now, you can confidently view the combined financial performance of your subsidiaries or branches, gaining valuable insights into your overall business health. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!